Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. As you can see, we're going to be installing this wig today. I got it from Samson Beauty. The link will be down below. So I had the band on for about 15 minutes, and now I'm just about to go in and start on my edges. Okay guys, so you're going to see me repeat this step a lot. I'm going to keep taking off and putting on my band because I want to make sure that my wig is secure. So now I'm going in with my scissors, cutting the lace, and I'm about to start pulling my baby hairs and laying my edges down after that.
I fuck with you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me. Shit to me. You ain't shit to me. Shit to me. You denied everything.
Okay guys, so I usually don't do this, but I'm curling my edges. I saw it on my Explore page on Instagram and I said, let me try it, see what it's talking about. Okay, guys, so this is the final look, and if I had to rate this wig to 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I will do 11. Like, this wig is bomb. The shedding was minimal, and I really like the look. Like, I'm really feeling myself right now, and period. And if you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and come back,